Hi educators and future teachers, let me ask you something honestly. Do you hesitate to speak English in your class because you are scared of making mistakes? Do you feel your grammar is not strong or your accent isn't perfect? You are not alone. Every day I meet brilliant teachers who feel stuck not because they lack knowledge but because they lack confidence in speaking English. But here is the truth. You don't have to be perfect to speak with confidence. You just need to start and keep going. I am Shilpa K, founder of Janavi Academy and mentor of thousands of educators, and today I am sharing my top 6 tips to help you speak English with confidence in the classroom. Number 1. Start simple. Do not wait to learn fancy sentences. Start using short, useful phrases like take your book, come here, open your notebook, let's begin, sit there. Very good. Use them every day until they become natural. Simple English is powerful English. Number 2. Practice in front of the mirror. Stand in front of a mirror and speak for 2 minutes daily. Talk about your lesson or your day. Look at your face, your lips, your body language. It is the best way to build self-awareness and overcome fear. Number 3. Speak slowly and clearly. Do not try to sound fast or fancy. Speaking slowly shows confidence. If students understand you clearly, you have succeeded. Remember, clarity is more important than speed. Number 4. Record and listen to yourself. Use your phone and record yourself speaking. Even 30 seconds is enough. When you listen later, you will notice small improvements and gain more control over your words. Number 5. Stop apologizing for mistake. Do not say, sorry, my English is poor. Instead, say, I am improving every day. Mistakes are part of learning. Your job is to communicate, not impress. Number 6. Surround yourself with English. Watch English videos with subtitles. Listen to English podcasts while cooking. Read simple storybooks. Language learning happens best when you immerse yourself in it daily. Speaking English is not a talent, it's a skill, and skills are developed with practice, not perfection. If you want to gain real fluency, classroom confidence, and beautiful pronunciation, I invite you to join our Speak to Shine program here at Janavi Academy. We train educators, teachers, parents, homemakers to speak English fearlessly, even if you are starting from scratch. Dial number 8150097126 to get started, and do not forget to like this video, subscribe the channel, and comment below what is the one thing stopping you from speaking English confidently. Let's build your voice and your dream teaching career together. Janavi Academy, learn, heal, prosper. I'll see you in the next session.